Did you know that if scientists cracked the code, Mars could potentially become a second Earth? That's right. That red dot in the night sky could one day be a thriving blue and green world. But what if? And here's the exciting twist. What if we could terraform Mars overnight? Sounds impossible, right? Let's dive in and explore just how this could work, step by step. Buckle up because this video will blow your mind. Before we embark on our hypothetical journey, let's set the stage. Mars, as we know, is a cold and barren desert world. Its thin atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with little oxygen. Temperatures plummet to a bone-clattering 80 degrees on average, and there's no liquid water on the surface. Sounds pretty uninhabitable, doesn't it? But don't click away just yet. Science has a way of surprising us in the most extraordinary ways. Terraforming is the process of transforming a planet to make it habitable for humans. It's an idea that's been around for decades, but has always been a far-off dream. That is, until now. To terraform Mars overnight, we'd need nothing short of a scientific miracle, or perhaps some sci-fi level mega technology. First up, we'd need an atmospheric transformation. Scientists believe that thickening Mars' atmosphere would create a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and warming the planet. So how do we achieve this overnight? Enter super-advanced technology capable of releasing massive amounts of gases into the Martian atmosphere in mere hours. Imagine deploying thousands of drones equipped with nuclear-powered heaters and CO2-releasing devices across the surface of Mars. These drones would extract carbon dioxide from the soil and ice caps, releasing it into the atmosphere at a staggering rate. Boom! Step 1 accomplished. But warming the planet is only half the battle. Next, we'd need breathable air. This is where engineered photosynthetic organisms come in. Think algae and genetically modified bacteria. Imagine flooding Mars' surface with fast-reproducing microbes capable of producing oxygen at lightning speed. As soon as the atmosphere warms enough to support these organisms, oxygen production would go into overdrive. Within hours, the air quality might transform from uninhabitable to something breathable for humans, or at least close enough to sustain enclosed habitats. Excited yet? Let's keep going. Here's the next big hurdle: liquid water. Without water, we can kiss our dreams of Mars colonies goodbye. Luckily, Mars has polar ice caps made of water and carbon dioxide. To melt these in a single night, we'd need, brace yourself, a barrage of space mirrors. Yes, mirrors. Billion-dollar mega installations anchored in orbit around Mars could focus intense sunlight onto the ice caps, causing them to melt rapidly. Add advanced drone technology to distribute the water across the planet's surface, and voila! We've got lakes and rivers on Mars. But wait, what about life? Earth's soil is teeming with microorganisms crucial for growing plants. Mars? Not so much. This is where earthbound microbes, fungi, and nutrient-rich bacteria come into play. Picture soil transplant missions straight from Earth to Mars using specialized cargo ships. Today's barren red terrain could, almost overnight, be transformed into fertile ground teeming with life-ready conditions. Imagine lush vegetation sprouting across the Martian plains, leading the way to farming and food production. Feels like the ultimate sci-fi movie, doesn't it? So far, we've talked science. But now, let's dream big and futuristic. Let's say humanity has developed advanced energy shields, capable of deflecting harmful solar radiation. These shields hover high above Mars, protecting future inhabitants from deadly rays while also stabilizing the atmosphere. This could run on revolutionary fusion power systems, harnessing endless energy directly from the Martian environment. Within a day, yes, just one day, Mars could be as safe as any spot on Earth. But here's where it gets tricky. Gravity. Mars's gravity is only 38% as strong as Earth's, which could cause long-term health problems for humans. In our overnight terraforming experiment, we'd likely turn to cutting-edge genetic engineering. Imagine future humans equipped with enhanced resilience, developed to thrive even in low-gravity environments. It's not just terraforming the planet, we're terraforming humans themselves. Crazy, right? Now, before you hop on the spaceship to find your new Martian home, let's touch on some challenges. Even if we manage this overnight feat, stabilizing such a rapid transformation could take years or centuries. If you've ever tried rushing a big project, you know that things can go wrong. Atmospheric storms, unexpected chemical reactions, or even ecological imbalances could threaten this newly built paradise. And let's not forget the ethical questions. Would terraforming Mars wipe out existing microbial life? Are we playing God here? The debate rages on. Let's take a moment to imagine what a terraformed Mars might look like. Picture standing at the edge of an azure ocean, gazing up at a peach-hued sky with snow-capped volcanoes in the distance, or hiking through sprawling green forests under gentle Martian rainfall. The stuff of dreams, right? But is it worth it? Can humans responsibly manage 2 planets? History shows that we don't exactly have a stellar track record for taking care of our home world. Despite the challenges, the idea of terraforming Mars is tantalizing. Although the science and technology needed to pull off such a feat overnight are currently beyond our reach, it forces us to think deeply about the power of innovation and humanity's role in the universe. If nothing else, this thought experiment inspires us to aim higher and push boundaries. So, what do you think? Would you pack your bags and call Mars home if we could terraform it overnight? Or should we focus on solving Earth's problems first? One thing's for sure. The future of space exploration is bound to be as thrilling as it is unpredictable. That's it for today's episode of What If Facts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing scenarios. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe one day we'll all take that one-night journey to Mars.